Hello students, this is Rekha. Today we will do state level SSLC Preparatory-1 2026. This is the maths paper. Total 80 marks paper. Let's start. See here, first bit multiple choice question. See here, what is the question is there? If A and B are the co-primes, then their LCM is what is the option? See here, what is the co-primes? Co-primes means what? See here, any two numbers, common factor 1 is there means co-primes. See here, example I am taking 7 and 8. 7 and 8 common factor what? It is a 1. So this 7 and 8 is a co-primes. So this co-primes LCM, how you will find? 7 into 8. 7 8 is 56 is the LCM. Okay, LCM is the 56. But HCF is always co-primes. HCF is always it is the 1. But LCM asking means these two numbers multiplied means you will get the LCM. Example, again one more sum we will see. 4 5. 4 and 5 also co-primes. Why means this two common factor is 1. So co-primes HCF is 1. But LCM is equal to 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. But here what is asking, see here carefully listen. If A and B are the co-primes, then their LCM. LCM means A into B. So first option is A, that answer is A into B. Next question, see beta. If a pair of linear equation is inconsistent, then the lines represented by the equations are 4 options given. See here. First one, see here. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 means intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means one solution. Solution is there means it is a consistent. There is no solution means inconsistent. Okay, see here this is a coincidental lines. Coincidental lines means many solutions. Here also solution is there. Here also solution is there. But here no solution. No solution means inconsistent. These two are consistent. This is a inconsistent. No solution means inconsistent. So which lines? Parallel lines. So parallel lines means it is a inconsistent. Inconsistent means there is no solution. This answer is C, parallel lines. Next, carefully listen. The degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? Highest power is the degree of the polynomial. This equation taking means what is the highest power? 4 is the highest power. So B is the correct option. Okay. Now fourth question. In the formula to find the median for the group data, median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here F refers to, F means what? Frequency median class. B is the correct answer. Next, fifth question, see beta. Which of the following can be probability of an event? Probability means it is the middle, 0 and 1 middle is the probability. Okay. See now negative answer, but we don't want. Next, 1.5. 1.5 means it is more than 1. Okay. Next, 5 by 2 means it is 2.5. This is also more than 1. Next, what is the option? Is there 1 by 5? 1 by 5 means 1 divided by 5. Okay. 0.10. 5 to the 10. Okay. 0.2. Probability means we need 0, 1 middle numbers. Okay. So this is the 0.2. This is the negative. Don't want. This is more than 1. This is also more than 1. What is the correct option? 1 by 5 means 0.2. So 1 by 5 is the correct answer. Probability means we want 0, 1 middle number. Okay. Next, see beta. The value of sin 30 and cos 60. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 plus cos 60 also 1 by 2. Which question? This is the sixth question. See here. Sin 30 means 1 by 2, cos 60 also 1 by 2. What is the LCM? Same LCM. Next, 1 plus 1, it is a 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means what is the answer? 1 answer. Which option correct? 1 means C option correct. Option C is correct. Next, see beta. The volume of a cube with edge 6 centimeter. Volume of the cube formula what? L cube. Volume of the cube is 7th question. Volume of the cube means what? L cube. Length how much is there here? 6 is there. 6 cube. 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. So option A, 216 cubic centimeter is the answer. Okay. Now see 8th question. The difference obtained when the sum of first n odd natural numbers subtracted from the sum of first n even natural numbers. So sum of even natural numbers minus sum of odd natural numbers we will find. Okay. Now carefully listen. Sum of first n natural even numbers. What is the formula? N into n plus 1. This meaning what? Continue. See here, starting to even numbers. 2 plus 4 plus 6. This total finding. What is the formula is there? N into n plus 1. So sum of the first n even natural numbers finding, this is the formula. Next, sum of the first n natural odd numbers finding, what is the formula? N square is the formula. Okay, this meaning what? 1 plus 3 plus 5, like this total finding we will use this formula. Okay, but he is asking question, what is there? Sum of even numbers minus sum of odd numbers. From means this second number we will take first number we will take second. So sum of even numbers minus sum of odd numbers, we will find this total. So even numbers formula, what is there? What is the even number formula? N into n plus 1. Okay, minus odd numbers means what is the formula? N square. Okay, sum of even numbers, sum of odd numbers, even numbers minus odd numbers. Okay, now we will remove the bracket. N into n square plus n into 1, n minus n square. So plus n square minus n square cancel. What is the answer? N is the answer. See beta, which one is the n option? See here n, where is there? Option D is the correct answer. Next, 9th question. See, write the number of the zeros of the polynomial y is equal to px from the given graph. Here graph is there. This curve touches x-axis how many times? That much zeros. See here, this curve x-axis touching how many times? See here 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So how many zeros? This answer is 3 zeros is the answer. This curve touching x-axis how many times? That much zeros. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So how many zeros? Zeros means nothing but x value. Okay. How many answers here? 3 answers. Here you write 3 zeros, you will get marks. Okay. Now 10th question. Write the distance of the point P AB from the origin. Okay. See here. See what is there? Distance from origin formula what? X square plus y square under root. Okay, this is the origin. We will take name O. This is point P. P coordinates what is there? AB. See here x means this is x means what? A. Y means what? B. So origin to distance formula finding x square plus y square under root. X plus you take a square plus b square under root. Only this much writing, you will get the marks. Okay. Now 11th question. In the figure, write the side of the triangle PQR corresponding side of AB of triangle ABC. So triangle ABC, AB side corresponding what is there in the triangle PQR is asking. This is the question. So first we will find, here we know only two angles. Third angle we will find. First we will find third angle. See beta. In triangle PQR I am taking. Okay. In triangle PQR. In this triangle, how many angles? 3 angles. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to how much degree? 180 degree. What is the reason? Angle sum property. Okay. P how much degree? 80 degree. Plus Q how much degree? 60 degree. Plus angle R don't know is equal to 180 degree. See here, 60 plus 80, 140. 140 plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. So angle R is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. So angle R is equal to 40 degree. So now you got angle R. So see here, angle R 40 degree. Okay. Next, here also 80 is there, 60 is there. Third angle what? Here also 40 degree. So in this one, P corresponding angle B. We will write corresponding angles. So angle P corresponding what? Angle P corresponding angle B. So first we will write corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. What are the corresponding angles is there? We will see and we will write. See here, P corresponding B. So angle P equal to angle B equal to how much degree is there? 80 degree. Next, Q is equal to C. Angle Q is equal to angle C is equal to how much degree? 60 degree. Next, angle R is equal to angle A is equal to 40 degree. Okay. Now he is asking what? In triangle ABC, side AB. Side AB corresponding what is there in triangle PQR? AB taking means 80 degree, 40 degree. Okay. So 80, 40 chance what is there? PR. So AB corresponding is the PR. See here, AB corresponding is the PR. He is asking, see here, corresponding side of AB in triangle ABC. this corresponding side, what is there in triangle PQR? So what is the corresponding? PR is the corresponding 80-40. Here also 80-40. So that sentence we will write. Okay, carefully listen. Side AB, try to understand sentence we will write. Side AB in triangle ABC, in triangle side AB in triangle ABC corresponding to corresponding to side this corresponding side what? PR, side PR in triangle PQR. So AB corresponding is the PR is the answer. Okay. Now 12th question, write the formula to find the volume of the sphere of radius r units. Volume of the sphere formula what? 4/3 pi r cube. Write it, volume of the sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. Now 13th question, how many solutions does the pair of linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0? Again 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0 have. Okay. Here two equations are there. First one 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. Second equation 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. This equation which form is there? Ax plus by plus c form is there is equal to 0. This is the first equation. So you write here 1, 1, 1. Next this equation also same form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this is the second equation. So here we will write 2. Okay. Now we will do a1 by a2. See here a1 is equal to 2. Next b1 is equal to 3. c1 is equal to minus 9. Okay. Here also we will write a2 is equal to 4. Next b2 is equal to 6. Next c2 is equal to minus 18. Okay. a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 you write it. First we will do a1 by a2. Now see here a1 by a2. So a1 means 2, a2 means 4. Cancel, possible, 2 1s are 2 2s are. What is the answer? 1 by 2. Next we will do b1 by b2. b1 by b2. b1 means what? 3. b2 means what? 6. Cancel now. 3 1s are 3 2s are. What is the answer? 1 by 2. Next we will do c1 by c2. c1 means c1 by c2. c1 means minus 9 by c2 means minus 18. Okay. Minus minus cancel. 9 1s are 9 2s are. What is the answer? 1 by 2 answer. So these all equal is there. So now you write a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. All answers 1 by 2 is there. All equal means which lines? Coincident lines. Okay. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2 means which lines? Coincidental lines. Coincidental lines means how many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. This one you write it. Okay. Here which lines? These are coincident lines. Write it. Coincident. C-I-D-N-T. Coincident lines. Coincident lines means how many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. Write it. Infinite many solutions. Many solutions. So here question asking how many solutions means many infinite number of uncountable solutions are there. This much writing you will get marks. Now 14th question, write the quadratic equation 2x square is equal to 3x minus 5 in the standard form. This quadratic equation we will write in standard form. 2x square is equal to 3x minus 5. Right here 2x square, this 3x take this side, minus 3x, minus 5 take this side, plus 5 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation means what? Ax square, which form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is the answer. Okay. Now 15th question. If the third term of arithmetic progression is 13. Third term means A3. A3 is equal to 13. A3 is equal to 13. Next, second term is 8. Second term means A2. A2 is equal to 8. Next, find the first term of the progression. First term is A is the question mark. A is given A3 13, A2 8, A we will find. Okay. Now see here, A3 means how can we write? A plus 2D is equal to 13. A2 means we can write A plus D is equal to 8. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. These two equations we will solve. See beta, A plus 2D is equal to 13. Next, A plus D is equal to 8. Okay. Now see here, we will cancel this one. Symbol will change. Here minus, here also minus. Plus A minus A cancel. 2D minus D, it is a D. D is equal to 13 minus 8, 5. D is equal to 5. But we want A. So this D is equal to 5. First equation or second equation, any equation you apply means you will get the answer. Right here, D is equal to 5. Substituting. Which equation? Equation 2 we will take. 1 or 2, anyone take. Substituting in equation 2 I am taking. 2 means what is there? A plus D is equal to 8. A don't know, right, as it is, plus D value is the 5 is equal to 8. So A is equal to 8. Take this side minus 5. A is equal to 3. Now 16th question. In the figure find the value of x. We will find this value. We will find. This is the diagram we given. Carefully listen. This is the diagram. AD 2 centimeter, DB 3 centimeter. This is DE 4 centimeter and BC we will find. Okay, see here. Here we will. These two are parallel lines. Parallel lines is there means what is the chance is there? BPT theorem chance is there. Okay. Now see here. DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. So by BPT what is the? By BPT what is there? Side remaining two sides. This parallel is there means remaining two sides are proportional. What can we write? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. But he is not asking AE by EC. But we want DE BC. So this equation you are taking means there is no chance. Okay, BPT theorem, one side parallel is there means remaining two sides are proportional is there means there is no chance. But one more chance is there. What is the chance is there means? See here, this triangle similar to this triangle. Okay, so triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. These two triangles are similar. Okay. Similar is there means their sides are proportional. So separate I will take here. A, D, E. For understanding, separate we will take. A, D. Next one, next which triangle? A, B, C. So these two triangles are similar triangles. Okay. Now carefully listen. We will apply the values. AD value. AD measurement 2. Next, AB measurement. AB measurement 2 plus 3, it is a 5 centimeter. Okay. Next, DE measurement 4 centimeter. And BC measurement, it is a X. So, ADE triangle similar to ABC triangle we will take. These both are similar triangles. Similar triangles is there means their sides are we will take proportional. So, we will take proportional AD by AB. AD by AB is equal to, next what is there? DE by BC. DE by BC is equal to AE by AC. AE by AC. Okay. These two triangles are similar triangles. Similar triangles is there means sides we can take proportional. AD by AB is equal to DE by BC is equal to AE by AC. But this side we don't want. We don't take this one. This one we don't want to. Okay. We will compare only these two. So right here AD by AB is equal to DE by BC. Now you apply the values, you will get the answer. See here, AD measurement 2 by AB measurement is the 5. 2 plus 3, it is a 5. AB measurement is the 5 is equal to DE measurement is the 4. BC measurement is the X. Okay. Now you do cross multiplication. See here, cross multiplication means 2 into X. Take 2 into X is equal to 5 into 4. Okay. Now we want X. X is equal to 5 into 4. Here into, take this side, it is a divide. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what is the X value? X value 5 twos are 10 centimeter. X value is the 10 centimeter. Up to now we did 1 marks questions is finished. Next video we will do 2 marks questions. Again you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel then.